Hello everyone, welcome to another devlog for Grapple Story. Sadly, this will be my last devlog for a couple of weeks as I'm off on holiday, but it should be good for me mentally as I'm getting quite stressed and burnt out all of a sudden. This week I plan on improving the level management system, making a couple of levels and sounds. This should be quite fun hopefully. It is Monday today, 10:51 AM, and today I'm starting something different. I'm going to start streaming my game dev. It gets really lonely when working alone, so streaming should be really helpful. Anyway, I'm going to work on another level, so see you shortly. It's 12:47 PM and I'm finished with the next level. I'm really pleased with what I've made, but I just need to fix some things with the level management system. Alright, 2:02 PM now, and I've fixed the level management system to make levels easier to implement in the future, although I am quite burnt out for some reason, so I'm just going to leave it here for today. See you tomorrow where we may work on the next level or sound design, depending on how I feel. It is Tuesday today, 10:24 AM. I've just started my stream, so it's time to get working. Today I'm going to be working on another level, and tomorrow I'll probably do the same. Therefore I'll have 5 levels, which is enough to show for the first public prototype. 11:27 AM now, level 3 is now finished, which just leaves some bugs to fix in preparation for sending this out to the testers. Okay, 12:15 PM now. I'm feeling burnt out again, which is really bad, so I'm just going to stop. Although tomorrow I won't be doing any game development for Grapple Story, as I'm going to college for a day as a taster for what it will be like when I officially join. That means that I'll see you on Thursday when I should work on the game a bit longer, as I should hopefully be less burnt out. See you then. It is Thursday today, 10:20 AM. My stream has started, so I'm about to get to work. Today I'm going to fix some really irritating bugs. Hopefully we can get that done today so I can send out copies to the testers. I'll see you shortly after I have hopefully fixed some of the bugs. 10:50 AM now, and the irritating bugs have been fixed pretty easily. Anyway, I'm going to work on sending out the copy to my testers. Hopefully they can give me some more juicy suggestions. Alright, 11 AM, sent out the latest build to the testers. Now I'm just going to quickly fix an issue with multiple players spawning strangely. It's 11:35 AM now, and I've fixed the issue. Sadly, I've burnt myself out even more because that was a really frustrating bug, so I'm worried that this may be my last day I do any game dev. It's really unhealthy to burn out this much, so I don't want to push myself too hard. It's Friday today, 10:05 AM. I'm not going to stream today as I'm just going to work on some quick bug fixing that I left out yesterday. It'll probably only take me around 30 minutes or so. Alright, 10:12 AM. I fixed the issue. That was really quick. It's really difficult to explain, but now the game seems to be kinda bug free. It's Saturday today, 9:35 AM. I just need to edit the video. On top of that, I need to edit another 2 videos for when I'm on holiday, as there won't be any devlogs releasing. Those videos will probably be indie dev chats, which are easy to edit. Anyway, thank you so much for your immense support on my previous video and my channel as a whole. It is almost my best video. I wanted to thank Spitzy. He is an awesome YouTuber, and he has been advising me with suggestions to improve my videos for a couple of months now. Be sure to subscribe to him. He does Fortnite content, but he may post other content soon. Finally, we are really close to 100 subscribers, so feel free to subscribe, like, and give me any suggestions on how to improve in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.